A very good morning to all the students. Previous day I taught you a part of chapter 1, and the name of the chapter 1 is the English exam. And let us just revise what I taught you that day. The chapter is about the boy Raghu, and I told you that English was his favorite subject, and it was the day when English exam was there. So he was very excited about the exam. But when the teacher started distributing the question papers, what he saw? He got a maths paper. He didn't get the English paper. So he was really shocked and confused. Now let us continue. The teacher said to Raghu, "Of course, it's maths. Today is the maths exam." Then Raghu said, No, it can't be. Today is the English exam. Today is not the maths exam. How can you say that? Raghu was in tears. He didn't know what to do. He just stared at the paper. Children, what is the meaning of stared? Stared means to gaze. Means when you look at something for a long time. That is the meaning of stared. So he just stared at the paper. Then the teacher said, "I think you must have mixed up the dates. Did you check the date sheet?" Then Raghu said, "Yes, ma'am. I had checked this morning. And today we were supposed to have our English exam." Raghu was totally confused and couldn't think clearly. What is the meaning of confused, children? Confused means when you are not able to think clearly what to do. So in the same way, Raghu was also confused, and he said to his teacher that today is the English exam and I checked the date sheet this morning only. How can you say that today is maths exam? Children, as you know, Raghu was very upset and he was confused what to do. So the teacher said to him, "Raghu, don't be so upset. Read the question. I am sure you will be able to answer most of them." Then Raghu said, "But I had prepared for English today." So one of the students said, "Well, English exam is tomorrow, not today." Then Raghu had a thought in his mind. What if I do badly in maths? It was supposed to be English exam today, and today is not the maths exam. Children, there was a word used just now, supposed. What is the meaning of supposed? Supposed means when you assume something. Means when you believe that it should be the case, but in reality it is not there. So he is saying that it was supposed to be English exam, not maths exam. Okay, then what happened next? Let's see. Raghu kept on speaking to himself. It was supposed to be English today. I know it was supposed to be English exam today. I know it is English exam today. Then what happened? Raghu's mother noticed him kicking around his bed and muttering to himself. What do you mean by muttering? Muttering means to speak in a low voice. Many times you must have also dreamt about something, dreaming, and when you are dreaming you are also muttering. Okay, you are speaking to yourself and speaking in a low voice. So similarly, Raghu was also muttering. Then his mother said, "Raghu, wake up. You must be having a bad dream today. Wake up, Raghu, wake up." "Oh, mummy, where I am?" Raghu said. "In your bed, of course, beta," Raghu's mother said to him.